Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make a claim with Aviva insurance. Now this is a very quick and easy thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so that you don't miss any steps. So the first thing you actually want to do is head over to the Aviva website, and once you have gone there it should look something like this, and from here you just want to scroll down to the very bottom until you see this section that says useful information. Now we just want to go down a bit until we see this button that says make a claim, and we're going to go ahead and click on that. Now from here, you just want to scroll down and choose where you actually want to make the claim. So Aviva actually insure motor products, home products, protection and health products, and also other products. So you just want to go to the correct section for your insurance. So obviously if you have motor insurance, you're going to want to go over to motor claims. However, if you're trying to claim for a house, you want to go to home claims, life insurance claims, etc, etc. So I'm assuming most of you are just looking for a car claim, so I'm going to go to motor claims. So it says here what to expect if you need to make a claim. If your vehicle's damaged, they'll instruct a repairer and confirm whether you'll be getting a courtesy car. If the vehicle is beyond repair, they will pay you for the market value, and they will also get in touch with any other parties and get you back to normal as quickly as possible. So here's how we can actually get started. You can make it a glass claim over here, but I'm assuming most of you are looking to make an actual accident claim. So we can find that here on the left hand side where it says claim online or notify us of an incident. So here are all the details you will need. You will need to tell them what happened. You'll need to tell them any third parties involved. So you'll need to give them the number plate of any other cars involved. And also you'll need to tell them about the damage to your vehicle. So it is recommended that you take some photos that you can actually send to Aviva to prove your accident. So in order to actually make a claim online, we will have to log in. So we're going to click this login to claim button. And then from here, we just want to log in to our My Aviva account. So you want to put in your username and your password and then log in. And then once you've done that, it will ask for a few more details about your claim. So those things I just said about, such as the number plate of the other cars, you will have to give them all of these details. And then once you have actually done that and submitted it, you will have successfully made a claim with Aviva Insurance. And from there, they will get back to you. And obviously everyone's experience will be different depending what happened and what your insurance is with. So from there, you will actually just have to follow Aviva customer support instructions because they will probably need some more things for you. And after that, they should assist you in helping you out with this claim. So that's exactly how you can make a claim with Aviva Insurance. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.